Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you different nude lip combos because literally I get so many messages on what lip combo I have on my lips in every picture. So I just thought, you know what, let me make a video showing you different options that you guys have. So I hope you like this video and I hope you find it very useful. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright, so for my nude lip combo, this was like the first nude lip combo that I stuck to for a very long time. So what I use is I use a really dark lip liner, and this lip liner, well, it's not a lip liner, it's an eyebrow pencil, but I use it for my lips anyway. So this is the RIMMEL eyebrow pencil in black brown. So I'm just gonna use this to line my lips. The liquid lipstick I'm going to go in with is by ABH and it's called ASHTON. So now I'm going back in to line my lips again. I can't do matte lips anymore, like I have to add gloss. Every time I do my makeup, I have to have glossy lips. So if I was to apply a lip gloss on top of this, I would apply the NYX Butter Gloss. And this is in the shade Fortune Cookie. And I just love this lip gloss so much because it's a really bright nude, but it looks nice once it's like blended out. And I just think this is so pretty, it's so cute as well. And this shade suits every brown skin girl, trust me, because I use this I use ASHTON on literally all my clients, like most of my dark skin clients, and it just looks really nice on them. So guys, like this is literally my favorite lip combo. Like I was wearing this lip combo with every makeup look literally every day because it's just so nice. Like I just love it. Okay, so moving on to the next one now. This is the ABH lipstick in the shade Rust. So I'm just going to use this to line around my lips. I'm going to apply a lip gloss. So this is ABH Undressed lip gloss. So this is lip combo number 2. So now the next lip option, I'm going to be using my sleek lip liner, and this is called Just Say Nothing. And now I'm going to apply ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. Guys, do you know how peng this lip combo is? The only thing is obviously because my lips are peeling right now, I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but it happens to me all the time. My lips are peeling, so the lipstick is not sticking to my lips. Right there, it's not sticking to it, but once I add gloss it'll be fine. And now I'm going to apply ABH Undressed. And I'm just going to go back in with my lip pencil and just line around again. And if you feel like this lip combo is too light for you and you want to tone it down a bit, what you can do is you can add the KIKO lip gloss in the shade 19. I think KIKO lip glosses are so bomb, like they feel really nice on your lips as well. It just makes my lips look so juicy and just so like, yes, like. Okay, so the next lip combo, and also guys, yeah, I just want to say, obviously you guys might be thinking, but all these lipsticks are high-end lipsticks, but if you have any shade that's like similar to the lip colors that I'm using, you can use them. It doesn't have to be ABH, it can be any, you know, any brand. So I'm just going to line my lips again with my sleek brown lip liner. In case you're wondering, this is called Just Say Nothing. So now I'm just going to apply this lipstick to my lips. Now this is the ABH liquid lipstick and it's called Grim. And I actually really like this shade because it's not like a usual nude shade that you would go for. It's kind of like grey, like ashy, I don't know, but I like it anyway. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. This is the 4th lip combo now, and guys, I don't really care too much about how my lip liner looks, like if it's neat or not neat, because I'm gonna end up putting gloss over it anyway, so it just blends everything together. So for gloss, I'm gonna add the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. Okay, cool guys, so this is the next lip combo. You can't tell me this lip combo is not nice. This is nice, like it's sweet, it's juicy. Okay, this is nice. Okay guys, I don't want to keep telling you the same thing over and over again. So this sleek lip liner, Just Say Nothing, is what I use with most of my lip combos. So it's going to be the same lip liner each time. I'm just going to line my lips again. And see, I had to get you a drugstore liquid lipstick. I said, nah, I have to put one in this video. So this is the Sleek Matte Me lip cream, and it's called Cinnamon Spice. I'm going to put that all over my lips on top of that lip liner. The lip liner is also by Sleek. I feel like this lip cream kind of reminds me of ASHTON from ABH, because they're kind of similar, but I really like this. It's so nice and just simple. So now I'm just gonna go over that with my KIKO lip gloss in the shade 19. Yeah, this just reminds me of ASHTON, so I guess this is a substitute for the first lip combo. So this is the 5th lip combo, and I have to say I love this. And if you want to like take this up to like the next level, all you need to do, if you guys have like any metallic lip glosses or lipsticks, then you can just add that literally right in the center of your lips, and it will just make it look so nice. This is ABH lip gloss in the shade Gilded. You guys can see how pretty this is. This is so nice. I feel like if you're going for like a really bronzed look and then you have this lip gloss, that's it. This is just so nice. Okay, so the last lip combo I'm gonna give you guys is gonna be like a transition. So basically I'm gonna start with the RIMMEL eyebrow pencil and then use the Sleek pencil. Then I'm gonna put my lip gloss on top of it, so you guys are gonna see. So I'm gonna line my lips with the RIMMEL eyebrow pencil in black brown. Okay, as you guys can see, I've lined my lips and it looks really dark. So now I'm gonna go in with my Sleek pencil. And now I'm gonna apply ABH Undressed. And now I'm just gonna go back in with my Sleek pencil and just like line my lips again. And now I'm gonna add clear lip gloss on top of this. I feel like this lip gloss from the hair shop is like a must. You have to have this lip gloss. If you don't have it, I don't know what you're doing, but this lip gloss is a classic, okay? I feel like every black girl has this lip gloss. I'm just gonna like pop this on top of my lips, even though I already have enough gloss on my lips right now, but I just like my gloss to be really, I like my lips to be really shiny and just really glossy and just sticky and just, I don't know, it's just what I like anyway. So, and there you have it guys, this is my last lip combo for you guys. I personally love this one because I just feel like it's so neutral and it's just, I don't know, I just like this one anyway. So alright guys, so that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I don't even know anymore myself which one is my favorite lip combo anymore, but you guys let me know down below which one you liked the most. Was it lip combo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6? So yeah, I hope you guys found this video really useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.